All right, friends, stick around if you want to make the perfect chicken breast, and we're doing it Mediterranean style. Enjoy. So, what we're gonna do here is basically get our pan up to medium heat. Get your chicken breast out, very easy. Salt and pepper, that's all we need, baby. Less is more. Give it a good season on both sides. How you doing? Flip it over. Make a chicken do a spin, and then there you go. Grab 5 to 6 olives. We're gonna slice those nicely, like so. I'm gonna speed it up because I know your time is valuable and I don't want to waste it. So slice the olives like so. Grab 5 to 6 cherry tomatoes. Slice them in half, like so. Very easy. And once we hit medium temp on the pan, let's drop it just a little bit to like a low-high heat. Next, we're gonna be generous with some beautiful extra virgin olive oil. You don't have to use extra virgin, but extra virgin is the premium version of olive oil. So, do with it what you must. I recommend it. How you doing? Chicken titty goes on the grill. We're gonna sear for about 4 to 6 minutes. Really what we're looking for is just a nice color on both sides. Grab your portobello mushroom. We're using about a half here. And we're gonna slice it like so, just to get some nice little pieces. And next, of course, garlic. Guys, come on. If you're not cooking with garlic, you're not really cooking, are you? So grab 2 to 3 garlics, and we're gonna peel and mince those. In the meantime, check on the chicken breast. Check the color, make sure it's good. Let's see how this one side is looking. Still needs time. So let's go ahead and mince our garlic in the meantime. And next, an onion as well. Similar to garlic, if you're not cooking with it, what are you really doing with your life? Cut 1/4 of a white onion. You could use a red onion, I guess, but I just generally usually buy white onions. Check the chicken breast again. Make sure, bam, boom, bop, beep. Look at that color, guys. That is perfect. And also, we have some chicken breast hiding from us. So let's make sure that guy gets a nice sear and grill as well. So I'm applying a little more olive oil because I love it. It's good for you, and you should probably do it too, but it's up to you, your preference. You're eating this dish, not me. So we're gonna slice the onions thinly, of course, and cut them in half. Cut them thinly and then in half. And now we're just gonna check on the chicken breast again. Just gotta make sure we have a nice color, guys. What we're doing with searing, just like a steak, is we're making sure we're searing off all those beautiful juices inside of the chicken. So that way when it cooks, it's gonna be nice and tender and juicy. Now, 4 to 6 shots of white wine in. And that's why we mentioned to turn the heat to a low-high. So we're not rendering the alcohol too fast. We want it to cook in nicely over time. So next, just flip it to the side you want. Well, actually, no, we're not flipping it. We're gonna throw in the veggies first. All the veggies go in first, besides the mushrooms. Stir it up. What we're doing is just kind of creating a seasoning, and then mushrooms in last, and stir it up as well. We're gonna cook these down a good bit just before we get our chicken back in. Douse with some olive oil once more. And of course, as always, guys, salt and pepper. You can never go wrong with salt and pepper. Less is more. Next, we're gonna throw in about 1 to 1.5 cups of chicken stock or chicken broth. You call it what you like, do with that what you must. How you doing? Mix it well, guys. Grab your spatula or your spoon, mix it well, and we're good to go. Throw the chicken breast back on top of all these beautiful veggies and stock, and chop some parsley. I'm using some Italian parsley. I think any parsley should do. Drop it on top here, and we're gonna hit it with a little more pow, a little more of that boom bada beep olive oil. And then we're gonna cover, guys. Keep it on that low medium heat roughly for 5 to 9 minutes. The reason we say 5 to 9 minutes is because it depends on the thickness of your chicken breast. The thicker, the longer it's gonna take. So you gotta keep an eye on it. And yeah, so that's why we recommend that time range. And in the meantime, clean your space, do what you gotta do. And we're good. Plate and enjoy, guys. This is a fantastic chicken breast, Mediterranean style. It is amazing. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. It helps us out dearly, and we appreciate your time. Cheers and enjoy your amazing, easy chicken breast.